Yo, what's up, Dayvson? How are you? And welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you the recipe that you request to me. How to cook spaghetti with meatballs, and how I describe to you. This is not a typical Italian recipe. This is an Italian American recipe that typical Italian American mix two very famous Italian recipe that are spaghetti alla bolognese with tomato sauce and the typical meatball, Italian meatballs. Here we have all the ingredient: parsley, garlic, shallot, oil, of course, meat, and tomato sauce. And if you want, you can add some salt, pepper, and this is an extra hint to fill your meatball if you want. If you want, you can mix the ingredient and do the typical meatball without cheese. But for me, if you are eat only meatballs without spaghetti, it's perfect to fill them up with some cheese, some typical cheese that you love. That's important. The most important things is use not expensive ingredients, but only fresh ingredient. This is the key for the best recipe. Remember, freshness of the ingredients. And if you have in Italy, we make homemade tomato sauce with tomato that we grow up in our gardens, and that give an extra flavor, and it's fantastic. My hint is to use all. No, not only, but use the ingredient that you love, and only fresh ingredient. That's the basic. Okay. Right now I'll show you the procedure to make the recipe. I forgot it. 2 pan. One for the boiling water to cook spaghetti, and another pan to cook the meatballs and the tomato sauce. Dayvson, another recommendation: if you are searching for some grams or some how many part of ingredients that you must use, I don't know. I don't know, because in all of my recipe I go by my eyes. I adjust the taste with trying what I'm making, trying to taste, and with my eyes I try to adjust the portion of the different ingredients. So my recommendation is use your senses to calibrate the taste, the flavor, and the all of your ingredients. So okay, let's do this. First step, I'll take the shallots and I peel it. The shallots, and now I clean the garlic. So if you don't have shallots, you can use onion, you can use also garlic with meat, but now we are using garlic with tomato sauce. And shallot is used to give a flavor to meat. So first step is to cut the shallots, and you can put it in the meat. And now the same things to parsley, and it's quite easy, as you can see. Mix it all together. So you can use an extra, this is salt, a little bit of pepper. You can use a different fresh herbs to give the flavor of the meat. And now, yeah, today I will put some peperoncino and mix it all together. So Italian meatballs aren't big for this recipe because it's a small bite, and you must eat with spaghetti. So the size is on your preference. If you want a bigger meatball, you can do it bigger, but it's better to do it smaller because. And now different hint that I give you. For this recipe is not required, but if you love it, you can do it. This is gorgonzola, and it's an Italian cheese. It's very strong. The taste is very strong, but you can use it. The cheese that you love, you can use. I love to fill them up the meatballs with cheese, so you can select a part of cheese, put it inside, and try to roll it up gently without squeezing the cheese. And yeah, right now the cheese is inside the meatballs, and when you are cooking meatballs, the cheese inside is melting inside. Second step, take the pan, put inside some oil, chop it in half, garlic, put inside, and wait, I don't know, a minute that the pan reach the temperature, and you can hear the sound of the oil that are cooking garlic. That is the moment that you can put the meatball inside the pan. Garlic is not important because garlic give you a very strong taste. Time to put the meatball inside. This is with the cheese. Put it inside. Yes. Put it inside. Shake it a little bit the pan. As you can see, the garlic is quite brown, and it's the moment to put in the bin. So here we go. Put the tomato inside. Yeah. So just another hint, is very important, the quality of tomato sauce. Very important. And another hint is put inside the glass of the tomato sauce with a little bit of water, and put inside. And right now, yeah, this is good. And right now, let the sauce cook slowly with meatball. Sometimes shake it the pan with the meatball and tomato sauce. So right now, pasta is cooked. Drain pasta. As you can see, I've put spaghetti inside the sauce with meatballs. So, as you can see, spaghetti is inside. I've mixed all together and let cook another 1 minute, so spaghetti could take all the taste of tomato sauce and meatballs. So here we go. This is the final recipe. Dayvson, this is the plate, the food lovers, bloggers plate, but it's not my plate, and now I show you my plate. Here we are. This is my plate. I love a lot of amount of spaghetti, of meatballs, of tomato sauce. This is the recipe that you request to me. I hope you enjoy it on my stupidity. And yep, subscribe to my channel, put a like on the video. No, I'm joking. Don't we keep on writing each other, and see you next recipe. Why not?